Good day, Madam Sir. I am Jomalyn Z. Saking, 24 years old, single. I graduated vocational course caregiving with NC2. I worked in the Philippines as household helper for 5 years from 2020 to 2025. I served one couple, elderly age 81 and 77, and one adult 54 years old. My main duties are cook for them, give them food on time, taking care of them, wash their clothes, and clean the house. I am patient, loving and caring person, and hardworking person. To my future employer, I'm looking forward to be part of your family. I'll promise I'll do my best to serve you and treat you as my own family. Thank you, Madam Sir.